The pizza oven has arrived. Let's do a little unpacking and show you kind of what this thing is and talk a little bit about it, and then we'll have some future videos on how to use it, some dough, some pizza, and a lot of backyard adventure fun with one of my long desires that I've kind of wished for. My wife got it for the anniversary, so let's check it out. So there's actually two parts to this. I've got the pizza oven itself, and then we got the, I guess it's the extra part, which is to be able to run this off of propane. So it's the unit you can plug into the back instead of using wood or the charcoal, and you can run it off of propane. So we'll open this one up next. But first, let's see what's inside. Alright, just a little look at this. Coming through, taking the door off. You can see the stone in there. There's that tray in the back. Three nice sturdy legs, so it's simple. Fits, it's about a little over 2 feet or so in length. Then you've got your fuel lid. There's that tray again in there. Just a beautiful piece of art to make some wonderful pizza. Pretty excited about that. Now let me just talk real quick about why I chose this one. So I've been intending to build one. I've got some parts actually for possibly doing that down the road, but as I've studied more and more about pizza ovens, they're wonderful to have. But for the typical backyard person, when you're going to light that thing and it takes it could take a couple hours to get that thing really heated up just right. You're maintaining the wood. You've got this large structure out here that take care of. For a lot of people, having a small portable unit that cooks amazing but can be taken with you, can be put into storage, doesn't have to be kept out during the winter, that kind of thing can be really nice. And this thing, there's a 12 and there's a 16 inch. I chose the 12 inch partly for price, partly for what I wanted to kind of play around with this, try it out. And I think it's going to be sufficient for hosting some small parties, for the family, that sort of thing. But possibly down the road, maybe look at the 16 inch. You really don't need bigger than that. This thing will heat up in about 20 minutes and be super hot and great. The stone will be there. A lot of times it can take 45 minutes on your home oven and never even get to the right temperature to really cook a pizza well. So building an outdoor oven is wonderful, very costly, time consuming, and I think the long term, trying to light that thing, keep that thing going, it works, it's great. I might have one someday, but this seems like a really good fit for most homeowners to get into it. And then this could possibly be sufficient for everything you need for pizza ovens. I mean, it's not like you're doing this as a business. That's a whole another gamut. So pretty excited about this. Next step will be to light this thing up and kind of give it an initial burn off. To go inside and get some dough started so that we can hopefully have some pizzas. So again, thanks for tuning in, and hope you enjoy it.